Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today we are doing a FabFitFun Box. I just signed up for their subscription, which is a seasonal subscription, and I am so excited to try it out and open up this box. So let's get to opening it up, y'all. So we're gonna start off by cutting open the box right here. I have some little scissors. All right, let's see what is in here. I think I picked everything out that is in here, but I honestly don't kind of remember what was in here at all. So this is what we have in here, y'all. We have a little, I think like a mini magazine here. It's kind of what it looks like throughout here. Definitely has some FabFitFun specific things. Oh, I guess it talks about like what's curated in the box and stuff like that. So that's kind of cool. That's kind of cute. So I'm definitely gonna check this out a little later. Looks like we've got like a coupon for HBOMax. I've got a Hello Fresh coupon, Bright Cellars, some wine. That's pretty cool. And add a little sparkle to your shine. This is a FabFitFun $15 off your first FabFitFun box, y'all. I'm gonna be putting some of these in the description box below. That's really cool. All these like little things that we have in here. There's a ton of stuff in here. Like a ton of stuff. Okay, we just gotta start somewhere. We have to start somewhere. All right, so the first thing I see are these little Lucky Stars blemishing patches. Look how cute. That is so cool. I've never actually used a blemish patch before. So it'll be kind of fun to see how, if they like truly work like they say. It says breakouts happen, stars misalign, and fear not. It's not the end. Cute enough to be worn during the day, Lucky Stars blemish patches are packed with powerful natural ingredients that team up to suck out impurities, soothe skin, and reduce potentials for scarring so you can shine like the star you are. Okay, so it says cleanse and completely dry the skin before applying. Peel a patch from the sheet and apply it to cover your blemish. Leave on for at least 1 hour or overnight for the best, and then for best results, use a 6 hours or more. So yeah, definitely probably use these like at night. So that's really cool. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh, there's also like a little kind bar in here, a little thins one. This is dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. I'm not a huge fan of nuts, but I think I'll try this out for the sea salt alone. All right. It's like, what is in here? I don't even know. So this says, this is apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder. I believe I picked this out. I just thought this was really interesting because I've never seen like a powder dry shampoo. Ooh, this smells lovely. And did I get that on my nose? This smells really good. It's a gentle dry shampoo powder that helps absorb oils and impurities, refreshes your style quickly, and adds a touch of lift and texture. Oh, that sounds so cool. So cool. Who am I? That sounds so cool. This is really interesting. I just thought it was a very interesting product to find like a powder dry shampoo. I've only really seen sprays personally. I have seen like powder texturizers to help like lift this hair up, but that's kind of about all I've really seen. So, all right, so let's see what's in here. This is a daily facial brush. It is a dry brush for radiant looking skin. It's for the face, it says. Let's read the back. It says directions. For best results, incorporate into your AM routine. Always use daily facial brush dry only on dry, freshly cleansed skin. Wetting this brush will damage the integrity and the quality of it. Use the brush in a swiping motion along the forehead, down the nose and chin, outward strokes across from the cheeks and down the neck, stimulating the lymphatic pathways, encouraging drainage to reduce puffiness and to exfoliate. Follow up with a cleansing and moisturizing routine to help restore your skin after a facial workout. Also, that'll be so much fun just like to try that out and see how that works. And it's definitely interesting that it works on dry skin. Okay, so let's see. We got this like little one. I'm just kind of picking things out of here at random. This says Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher. This is what the little packaging looks like. And let's see what is in here. Oh, this is cute. It's like brown, peachy blush for sure. It has like definitely a sheen of a glow to it. So it could probably also be piggybacked as like a highlighter as well. Oh, it smells like coconuts. It smells really good. There's also a little FabFitFun sticker in here. And I think I'm gonna go over to this like bigger item here. I wanna say this is Summer in Rose. I think this is the robe that they were having as a choice. Yeah, this definitely is a robe. It just looked, ooh, I dropped the little rope part, but it has like a hood on it as well. It is super fuzzy and like fleece, and it's very soft. And I believe it has pockets. Yep, it has pockets as well. Super, super soft. I can't wait to wear this. Because my husband keeps it cold in his house, y'all. So cold. Alrighty, so the next thing in the box that I see here is this. I don't know what it is right now. I think this might be the eyeshadow palette I picked out. Yes, this is the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice palette. So cute and just like really nice for the fall and honestly all year long as well. It's a very pretty palette. I definitely already have some of these colors for sure, but very cute, very cute. There's not a whole lot of dark colors in here at all, so that's kind of sad. I like darker colors personally too, and we need to cater to everyone and be inclusive. That's my only thoughts on this, but let's keep going into the box. Next in the box is this Rhythm of the Rain hair mask and scalp detox. Pure and soothing, the patter of rain is a lullaby for the soul. Blended with shea butter and argan oil, this cleansing cream is rich in nourishing natural botanicals that restore the scalp's health and replenish moisture. Definitely excited to try this out. It says work through the damp hair from roots to tips. Leave them for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse. For deep conditioning, set for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. So let's give this a little smell. Oh, looks like there's a cap on here. Oh, this smells really good. This smells really good. It smells like clean, it smells like the rain. It smells like the rain. So this is what this packaging does look like. I think it's really cute. I really like this up here. Very pretty. So the last thing I got in here was a Touch Highlight LED makeup mirror. It's adjustable, it's soft to the touch, it's long lasting, and it's dual powered. So I'm assuming it's battery powered and also USB powered. Yep, I should have read the back. Yeah, it says it tilts up and down for the perfect angle. Simply tap the sensitive touch switch or hold it down to adjust the brightness. Long lasting daylight LED lights, so energy saving lights. And then a dual power source, so you can either use USB or batteries. So what's included? The battery. Y'all, batteries are included with this. That's kind of cool. So yeah, it includes the cable, instructions, and batteries. It takes 4 AAA batteries. That's a lot, but oh my gosh. So this was a lot of fun for my first FabFitFun box. I didn't remember picking out everything, to be honest, because I kind of forgot what I had picked out. But I am so excited for all this. Like, I knew I was gonna be like super excited for this. I'm really excited for the rope. I don't know, I'm really excited for everything. Like, I am just excited. This was just a lot of fun, and yeah. So I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys have a good one. I'm gonna put a lot of the coupon in my description below, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.